Okay, good morning, my USA and world. We're doing a video audio recording of way back in 2016 where I'm calling out to an outside source to get help because I was being held hostage in jail for minimal charges and there were false charges and I couldn't get out. So this is a audio recording from back then. We'll go ahead and let you listen to it.
Okay, are we live?
Yep.
Okay. My name is Thomas Standley. Right now it is April 8th at 7:30. The reason why I'm calling you, actually making this recording, is to give you permission to use this for any multimedia to use in my defense and setting me free. The reason why I'm sending it through this way is because it seems like every other avenue of me sending mail out in response and correspondence to this has been blocked. I am currently being held at the Spartanburg County Detention Center in South Carolina. I have been here since February 26th of 2016. I have ward number 2016841010087 for trespassing on the 24th. And then on the 25th, I was also cited for warrant number 201684210200690. And then there's another one on the 25th as 201684210200692 for trespassing also. The reason why these three trespassing charges are important is that these are from the same alleged victims that has been causing me harassment. But the day that I was arrested on the 25th, they also attached pointing and presenting a firearm and harassment in the first degree times 2. The warrant numbers for these are 201684210200687. Then it's 201684210200688, and then 20168 is an apple 42102000689. The reason why I'm calling you on this phone is that I have been held in this Spartanburg County Detention Center for over a year now. I was ordered a public defender March the 22nd of 2016 by Judge Keith Kelly, saying that the defendant lacks knowledge and ability to represent himself, which I have requested to be pro se in my charges. And I was ordered a public defender. And after that, I was ordered to be represented by Clay Allen, the head of public defender's office over here in Spartanburg. And I have had a very difficult time working with this public defender. He has failed to give me proper notice, failed to file for change of venue, and most of all, he failed to provide me representation for my magistrate charges, the trespassing charges, the three that I just mentioned. I have never received representation for and have never been to court to plead my innocence, and they have stamped me as time served, dismissed, and found guilty without ever having a public defender there to represent me. The last message on the kiosk stated on April 4th from Clay Allen of this year, he stated that he has sent Christopher Thompson, the public defender, to represent me on those cases, and he didn't understand why they had continued on with court. Since on March 22nd of 2016, I was deemed as lacking knowledge in General Sessions Court for the other charges. I have not been to court, and they are trying to get me into court on May 6th of this year for general court sessions for the felony charges of the harassment in the first degree times 2 and the pointing and presenting. I have been stuck here for over a year when I could have been out by just simply proving that I was innocent on the trespassing charges, which are no more than 30-day charges. This has been going on for a year. and I have been in prison here without getting the word out, and I feel like it has been covered up. I need assistance with anybody that can help me in getting this uncovered and providing me help to get me back to court. The last statement from Clay Allen, the head of public defenders, is that he was going to stop doing that because I had hired an attorney on the 2/21 of this year. I hired Mark Foster as my attorney and told him about the trespassing charges, but he has not given me a contract for the magistrate court charges. So I am in desperate need of help. My friends are helping me on the outside to get this out to people. I'm a veteran and a soldier. I have defended my country for these rights and liberties to be protected by the law, and I feel that this has been covered up, and they're trying to railroad me into prison before I have a chance to talk and plead my innocence. If you can use this information to help me, I would appreciate it. I want it forwarded to all the media. You have full release of this. You can verify through the phones that I'm talking with Shannon Privet. She has been given authorization to use this, and she can validate on her phone and by a sworn statement that I am the one talking on the phone with her. And I want to also mention the fact that I have been looking at the Code of Law in South Carolina, and it's effective June 20th, 2013, and it even describes harassment in the first degree and the second degree. And on the first sentence, it says, harassment in the first degree means a pattern of intentional, substantial, and unreasonable intrusion into a private life of a targeted person that serves no legitimate purpose and causes the person and would cause a reasonable person in his position to suffer mental or emotional stress. The same definition is for harassment in the second degree as it is in the first degree, but first degree has 0 to 3 years. Second degree has a 30-day charge. I have not been proven that I was even on the alleged victim's property, and I'm being given offers from the solicitor's office of years of probation and everything else when I've yet to be in court. I would greatly appreciate your assistance, and I'm just pleading to you as a veteran and a soldier and somebody who's defended the rights, and I need your help to defend me at this time. I thank you for your assistance and look forward to talking to you soon. My VA file number is 241-459697. My name is Thomas Brooks Standley, S-T-A-N as in Nancy, D as in David, L-E-Y. And you can reach me at the Spartanburg County Detention Center in South Carolina. Thank you for your help, and talk to you soon. Okay, that's all that I...
So anyway, that was done back in 2016. And what was very unique about that is that I sent that out, or it was sent out to all the media in the area, and nobody would respond, and nobody would help out. And it turns out that all the charges got dropped in the end. And I had a bad background checks for all those years up until recently when they found out that I had this organization. So I just wanted to play that for you and let you know that it's a day before court for the obscene phone call. And I'm looking over my paperwork, getting ready to file for my relief for my ankle monitor today. I'm going to get that in today, and wanted to let you guys know what was going on, and appreciate you guys supporting me. And this is what's going on today, guys. It's been incredible, and I'm starting to get used to talking more freely on these videos, and I'm hoping to keep you guys informed more if they don't keep blocking me when I put it on YouTube against the chief of police or against the sheriff's department. It seems like we just don't seem to get that covered on YouTube. It's all on Facebook. But here we go. Good morning, guys, and I will talk to you soon.